In this video, I'm going to show you how to exit YouTube Kids on your TV so you can switch back to the regular YouTube app or another app. Let's get started. YouTube Kids is a great platform for children, but sometimes you may need to exit it to access other content or apps on your smart TV or streaming device. The simplest way to exit YouTube Kids is by using your remote. Press the back or exit button to return to the home screen of your device or app menu. If that doesn't work, try pressing the home button to go back to your TV or streaming device's main menu. From there, you can easily navigate to another app, such as the regular YouTube app or a different streaming service. If you want to completely log out of YouTube Kids to prevent accidental access, open the app and go to the Settings menu. This is usually accessed by clicking the profile icon or scrolling to the bottom of the screen, depending on your device. Select Sign Out or Exit to log out of the app. This ensures YouTube Kids won't open automatically the next time the app is launched. Alternatively, if you no longer need YouTube Kids, you can uninstall it entirely. Go to the Apps section of your TV or streaming device, find YouTube Kids in the list of installed apps, and select Uninstall or Remove to delete it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and I hope exiting YouTube Kids on your TV is now quick and easy for you. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.